Hello and welcome to Instant Node. In this video, I am going to tell you how to delete Outlook permanently. So let's get started with the video. You can either open the Outlook app in your desktop or PC, or you can sign in into your browser. Make sure that you're signed into your Outlook account. Here at the upper right side, you need to click on your profile. You will see after the settings. Once you click on your profile, you need to click on My Microsoft account. It will take to your Microsoft account page. So once you're here at the left side under home button, you will see one info. My info, you need to click on your info. And once you're on the page of information, here when you will scroll down, you will find an option of close account. Under account information, click on this close account. Here again you need to scroll down and you will get an option of close account. So if you are sure, you need to follow the steps. It is basically the guideline. Here a pop-up window will appear which will ask you to protect your account. You need to add an alternate email. Make sure the email which you are entering is the active one. After that, when you will click on next, it will ask you to enter the code which you will get on that alternate email ID. Enter the code over here and then click on next. This pop-up window will come. You need to click on OK. It will take you to another page where it will give you all it will ask you that are you sure that you want to delete your account. Here you can choose for how many days you want it for it is basically the backup that if you choose 30 days, that means 30 days you can sign in and it will be permanently closed after that. Click on next and here you have to accept all the terms and conditions. Just make sure that you read it before checklisting it. So once you have read all the account closure details, you need to checklist on all the boxes that you will see here. You have to choose the particular reason why you want to close your Outlook account and then click on this button. So once you click on that, another window will pop up which will say that you have closed your Outlook account and you can log in. It will be closed on a particular timeline will be given. If you have chosen 30 days, then after 30 days it will be permanently deleted. If 60 days, then after that it will be permanently deleted. So this is how you can do that. If the tutorial was helpful, please like and subscribe.